A comedian, a spontaneous comedian from Martin, on the way from United States of America, London, UK, Canada, Australia. Ladies and gentlemen, airway live at Borough versus Borough. This guy is crazy and is mad. Ladies and gentlemen, with a round of applause, put it up for AB Jokes.
Who did big party inside my bullet? I went there with my girlfriend, cool it there with the girl. Ghetto girls, then they like.
This kind smoke be this. I know they see myself. I beg you, before I got a smell, Unkwobi. Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to MC Aboki Season 5. My name is AB Jokes. I'm a comedian. I'm not just a comedian. I'm a Yahoo boy. I'm also a ritualist. I use people's destiny. Hello? Most especially when I am on stage like this, cracking jokes, you are not laughing. Once I point you and do it like this, your destiny is gone. No, to be comedian, not easy. Hello? This is the only country where the president is older than the country. President. This is the only country where a civil thief, the thief. This country, Nigeria, fun you. And this country, a civil thief, the thief. Last week, Saturday, 92 armed robbers carry power by going to supermarket. One go thief 5,000. Before they come outside, another person don't thief the power by. Now that's why they use their own phone, they go police. Hello, police, when are they? This country not funny. Now this same country, Nigeria, and not to say, but you know, say this country, Nigeria, now depends on the president when they rule us. Now they have 90s going to happen. When Jonathan they rule us, now they complain. Jonathan a woman, now need man. Now don't see the real man. When Jonathan they rule us, things they okay. I shower cheap, bros are they lie. No, I shower cheap. No, I don't like being Nigerian. So when Jonathan, make I just differentiate between Jonathan and Buhari. When Jonathan dead, if you buy egg roll, these snacks where they call egg roll. If you open them, right to the day inside. Full egg, full one. Buhari enter now. If you buy them, where they see? When I see half. Water, you better, daddy. Now this evening, me and my brother go buy egg roll. When we open them, we no see egg. Better we see inside a garden egg. Now when I be turn, I say, young woman, is this how you do your yahoo? About this egg roll, when I open it, I saw the egg. Now the woman asked me, say, hey, we are chop the egg, leave the garden. Where go Lord Jonathan, they rule us, My mama, no, oh God, God will bless Jonathan. I beg, clap for Jonathan, I beg. That man try. When Jonathan, they rule us, if my mama won't cook soup, my mama go cook soup today, warm up tomorrow, soup don't finish. That is Jonathan. But now we Buhari enter. My mama go cook soup today, one man. Now this Buhari time, I know say my mama na warmest. This Buhari time, my mama go cook a goosey soup. One man. He go come up for a goosey etak bono. She not go stop. She go continue. She go one man. The bono go come up. Oh, he gave me my mama warm that soup. She not gonna get them again. It just be soup. One Sunday morning, the thing provoke me. I carry the pot on go to away. And my mama shout my name. He said be jokes. I say man, go keep that pot. When I keep the pot, I shock. She go buy 3 tomatoes and pepper, put inside. The thing turn to stew. Use and chop Sunday rice. See Jonathan time now. See lovely family. Wow, I love this mommy. Wow, you look beautiful. Photo, video. You follow me. When you see different ladies for here, sir, you're welcome, sir. Is she your wife? For say this one makes sense past the one where you carry last year. This one fine pass. This one not the pull makeup. Wow, you are beautiful. Wow, now Joko. Before you go reach out, so God go want touch, you go say, hey, you are cheating on me. Now Joko. Wow, sir, you're welcome, sir. Sir, no best, I don't see you since I don't recognize you. Ladies and gentlemen, in case you don't know this man here put video. This is the man that was in charge of Lagos State palliative food. In case it don't reach you, beat her now. Ubumi say, no reach me. See different ladies say, all these women right there, they came from different areas but still in Lagos. Now through that voice, you gonna know where they stay for Lagos. Yeah, mommy voice now, you gonna know where she stay. Hello.
Hi.
Wow, Lekki Phase 1. Came all the way from Lekki Phase 1. Yeah, mommy voice now. Hello. Hey, I will slap you. I'm a married man, I'm not toasting you. Hello.
Hi.
Wow, VGC. VGC, wow. I love that. Sir, you're welcome. Correct. Mommy, what's up? Okay, let me hear again. Hello? All the way from Owerri. You're welcome. But if I say now only Igbo women they pass. Only Igbo people, cha-cha-cha Igbo kwenu. And then they try. You see Enugu women, fear them all. Now then get Okpa. You see Okpa business, now then get them. In the morning, Okpa Odioku, afternoon Odioku, night Odioku, did you know they go? You see Imo girls, fear them. If you want marry, I don't advise to make you marry from Imo. That list long. You be like white paper. Let's go first see. You go see number one keke maru for the first one, and the first one a cripple. I want a driver. I get the way God take great woman. And God, please a round of applause for God, God try. Get the way God take great woman. God look woman, plan them well. Just look at any woman will get breast, no they get yash, shall they lie? Then any woman will get yash, no they get breast, draw first. Then any woman will can't get breast, can't get yash, down no they get sense. Then you see any woman, they come fine, way too fine. They know they sabi speak good English. The worst. That's why they tell woman, if you know if you speak good English, speak your language, or you speak pidgin, or you become deaf and dumb, simple. Now someone gets see me for Gogo, now she shout, oh my God, AB Jokes. I say, AB Jokes, you. I say, what is it? She said, you. I saw you at first time, you just passed away. I say, it's your father that will pass away. At my age, you want me to pass away? Are you okay? Maybe that man verse me pass. He get two girls when say they go to the same secondary school. You don't tell where they see themselves. Now they can't see themselves for my church this morning. Now one of them shouts, oh my God, Chioma, so you church in my church. Now the other one say, no, I'm not church in your church. Someone that is church in your church that invites me to come and church with him. But when pastor there for altar and I pastor provoke, hey, 12 you to church out of this church. But it disgrace me. Normally, if women they form all this normal forming, it go make sense. But you see all this forming, we say they go to form inside motor. I don't like that. Women normally if they form for outside like this. If they form, they give a guy. That is okay. But you see, they go to form like public place like this where people plenty. No, it's wrong. And then inside motor, normally we all know say if conductor call your bus stop, wait till go answer. Oh wow, Abi. And then inside motor this morning from my two, they go Coco. 2 girls stay my back. When we don't drive, we don't reach Alakija, now conductor shout. Alakija bus stop, now one girl be playing there is. Conductor say, Jerry's. She said, yes, I'm a graduate. Conductor said, no problem, come down. The girl come down, we continue. We then they reach Agric. Now the other one says she go do her own. Now conductor shout, Agric bus stop. Now that one reply, Iswa. The girl say Iswa. They go drop this girl from one bus stop, and they call Iswa. She said, time to come back. I said, no, me say I go do my white girls go to intimidate us. When we reach Ogogo finally, now conductor shout, Ogogo bus stop now we plan am, it should be. Say it should be. DJ play me song. Bros, what happen? Are you okay? Why they think? DJ play me my song. Wow, I love this table. 3 men, 1 woman. DJ wait. I like this girl. Please, what says the time? 15 minutes past 8. I like, you know why? They take me because you know where to happen later. Video this one, this one. This one we know they laugh. Now they pay for the P. That's why. So please laugh, oh, not kill yourself, oh. That's what the country be. I don't tell God say I come here, crack joke. You know they laugh. Nothing concern me. And they climb up say, man, I come they tell me say be jokes. Use 2 minutes. Make I use 2 minutes. Make una laugh. And Buhari done the rule us for like 6 years. Nobody don't laugh. I mean, go kill myself. For like 7 months, we comedians, we know, oh my hungry one beat me. See when I want to borrow money from Airtel. Like this, I dey owe Airtel 12,200. If Airtel they come in for phone, I know they pick. They go test me, I know go reply. Again, when Airtel disturb me reach for that 12,200, I block their number. Now this morning, one unknown number call me when I pick. I say, hello, be this. They say, na Airtel. I say, no be na number be this now. They say, yes. Now it is a last number we take call you. People Airtel get it is the last line. No, you get the way say hungry go beat. My brother don't pray make hungry beat you. You get the way hungry go beat you rich. Wait till go call your head. Na rishwa. Hungry beat me for COVID-19. I go say make I go do rishwa. I go meet one papa for CMS on that bridge. That you go know the man. On that bridge now, I see your pictures. Sponsor. I go meet the babalawo. I say, Baba, I want to do rishwa. The man say, at your age, I say yes. He say, who you want use? Show that your mama. I say, God forbid. Why me go use person wey carry me for 9 months to do ritual? He go say, okay, if you know it's your mama, she go use your papa. I say no. Now he ask me, say, who you want use? I say, I want use myself. But I was you want use yourself? I say yes. Now the man go inside, carry something like carries, come back. Throw for grass, pick incantation. First time for my life, I see when Babalawo they shout Jesus. I said, Baba wait up and say, my picky person don't use you. Wow, you're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome. You're welcome. Please. Wow. I love this. See the way big man they coordinate themselves. Wow. See this one how they sit down last now. I ain't get money. You're welcome. DJ, you go play Odumeje for them. Make they sit down. These are men. Play Odumeje for them. So you're welcome. See person video this man, a big man. I ain't go change your life. Photographer, video them. Video your destiny. Video this man. All this photographer, the way they does this serious video, I don't go my wedding. Before I start, the guy does the video. The guy does, if I don't spoon small, he go follow me the video. When they finish, I say, bro, stop expect us waiting video. When I look waiting this guy, they do never go start. You see people, see this guy now when they snap, if Lagos snap you, my brother, the way you be in real life, now so they go bring the picture, go and give you. But you see Benin, my brother, if you go occasion for Benin, no snap picture. I don't go Benin, go snap picture. When the guy bring my picture, For real life, I don't get bad. For the picture, I get bad. I said, I no vessel. Why I get bad for the picture? He said, now your future snap. If they grow, you go to get bad. DJ go to play song. This is how I work. When I talk, you play song.
On your mat, Tochuku. Guys, ready to Chanoko. Open up,
Play me hip hop, hip hop. Play me hip hop. Find hip hop for me. Play or just a play. Who are about vulcanizer in the building? Jay, play. Rakatech.
She no like it, I don't know the but she broke up and if you give her cucumber. For dance and mati, till I like
Ladies and gentlemen, you back on to MC Aboki Special Season 5. Shay! Ladies, people sit down first. Correct.
They feel an
Any place where they enter, they like observe. When I enter here, no Yoruba person here. The only Yoruba person where they here, now they do security. Oh God. I know the Igbo guy, but now Igbo people, now them. I wish God no create Igbo people inside Nigeria. They wonder how Nigeria go look like. Please, a round of applause for yourself. Cha-cha-cha Igbo Kwenu. Igbo people, God go bless you now. When COVID-19 come, they say no work. Everybody, their house. Some people they talk say hungry go beat Igbo people. Now lie. Hungry no fit beat Igbo man. Igbo man, they get sense for business. The only business where Igbo man no fit do na to sell suya. You know why? Igbo man no dey like business where they test before they buy. Igbo people they sabi do business oh. I don't go Alaba go buy one cloth where they go Adidas. When I buy a reach as wear am, come wash the Adidas not to Ada. Igbo people, I swear to God, when they do business. You know, so now only Igbo man go convince you to buy market when no plan to buy. Igbo man don't convince one of my friends, this man a footballer. He go feed the money, go play, but when he come back, he say, "Happy Jones, I want to tell Alaba go buy earpiece." Now earpiece, he tell me say, "Want go buy you?" When he enter Alaba, Igbo man convince him to buy another thing. When this boy enter Alaba, one Igbo man convinced him to buy brushes and he like the okay. Now when he come back from Alaba, I saw Daniel, he said yes, you get accident. He said no. Did they plan to get accident? He said no. I said why you buy brushes, go back house. He said now one Igbo man said I give her. I said what did the Igbo man tell you? He said the Igbo man tell and say make you buy the brushes now when they don't promo. Because you don't know what to go happen for future. Even people say I be dental boy and they talk say I be dental boy, Igbo man don't be cheat us, na lie. No matter where you come from, Igbo man is an Igbo man. As long as you enter Alaba, he go cheat you. I don't enter Alaba, I go one show, my phone call lost for the show. I got all 2,000 naira, say make I enter Alaba, go buy small Nokia touch. Nokia touch, oh. When I enter Alaba, I see one Igbo man, they ring bell. Right now, buy your iPhone 11 Pro, yeah, 1, 2, eh? iPhone 11 Pro will be almost 430,000. Igbo man, they sell a 1, 2 for Alaba. You know, some Nigerians will like cheap things. I turn, I go buy them. When I reach house, they go sell lights there. I start to the charge this one, the charger. If I take light, I try on this phone no green on. I go filling station, go buy fuel, 10 liter. I on chain, I charge this phone, charger, my friend finish. I try on her, phone no green on. With another years, I come return her. I say, I got no best, I buy this phone no. And they try on and they tell they agree on. I the Igbo man ask me 70 take charger. I said I use NEPA light. He said no, it go spoil the phone. I said okay, I use generator. He said no. I said I use light, I use gen. He said no, let him make a take on now. He said make I go find tipper. per battery take charge phone. Finally, I can't go find tip per battery. When I plug am, the phone come finally on. Later come see for the phone and welcome to Go TV. I no know say na decoder buy. Cha Ibo Kwenu. That's why they tell man, if you want carry girl comot, the cheapest girls to carry comot for Lagos, Nigeria, and Yoruba girls. You know say you fit use 1,000 naira carry Yoruba girl comot, you go get change of 550 go back house. Ababi, God bless you. You are a serious student. You know say as a man, before you go call girl say baby let me take you out, you go budget like 100,000. I come on Yoruba girl, Billy King come here last week. My brother, I won't carry girl come. No carry Yoruba girl, so they go disgrace you. Ask this Yoruba girl, say, baby, what do you care for Yoruba girl order? She say, what did I care for? For many minerals for hotel. I say, no, you are a disgrace to my manhood. Order for something bigger. Yoruba girl order something bigger. She say, oh yeah, for me Pepsi or Robo. After Yoruba they go shout. Now we get Lagos. Yes, as I go ask owner, if I come here, some people they argue. Inside Iban Yoruba, they bring disease on this country. You say? Iba Abi? Yoruba? Okay, now me know. You see this disease where Congo, Ebola. You know say na Yoruba people, now them bring them Ebola. I go prove her now. The spelling of Ebola is E-B-O-L-A. Ebola. Now where come on the E ready the front? Wait till me mean. Bola Yoruba name Abi. I go come on now. Now you come on the B wait till me mean. Ola Yoruba. After at that side they see some Yoruba people they shout. Now be telling us I go come on wait. At that side they see some Yoruba they shout. When I come here, comedians never come. I say I call Mike before they will come. Yoruba they shout. Now we get Lagos. Yes, we don't follow na argue. Now Yoruba na get Lagos, but now Igbo people they develop and true or false. That's why no, I will prove it. Yoruba na they get Lagos, but the kind of places where Igbo people they stay for Lagos, it makes sense. Some people they say, why they support Igbo people? I be that boy, but Igbo people now then they help me for life. When you Igbo man area for Lagos, the kind of place where Igbo people they stay for Lagos, shout. Now if I call Igbo man area for Lagos, shout Igbo, like if it's one, Victoria Island, Ikeja, GRA. Now when I call Yoruba man area for Lagos, where they get shout Yoruba, Okoko, Iyanoba, Egbeda, Ajegule, Mushi. The only island where Yoruba get for Lagos, like Ikorodu. Now when I call Igbo man motor, the kind of motor where Igbo people waste down here now they drive, shout Igbo, Range Rover Sport, Land Rover, Acura, Lexus 350, Venza, Benz, Rolls Royce. Now when I call Yoruba man motor, the kind of motor where Yoruba people they drive, shout Yoruba Sienna, Peugeot, Volvo, Passat, Danfo, Keke, Okada, Caterpillar. The get one Yoruba motor where no be pronounced with Bushi. The Igbo man business, the kind of business when they do when I tell they buy booking table ticket. Your business like exporter and importer, oil and gas, electronics, kidnapper, Evans, ritualists, boy. You get one Igbo business where maybe some don't be pronounced well, better now Osaya be Osuya. Osaya, thank you. You hear Yoruba business, Sha Yoruba conductor, Agberu, Fokanaza, Omonile, Picking Pocket, Baba Ijebu, Babalawo, Oro, Bomo. and shout Igbo NSC. Movet. VSOP. Ezos Payne. Tampari. Elliot. Vakon Yoruba drink. Shout Yoruba. Bebioku. Agbo Jedi Jedi. Orimalu. Bajinotu. Atapiapia. Eye drop. You say, DJ go play song now. How many times I go teach you? Sir, you say you know the Abi? No. Hey, na joke oh. Because the way they carry pot to the grass and na joke. No, the reason about the man I can't stay, just climb stage. I don't come on, make I don't stay there this thing. The reason why me the yab Yoruba people be say, they don't make me vex. As a comedian, we don't feel work without yabbing person. You know, so when you yab person, at that time your joke will funny and people must laugh. I go one show for Ikorodu, and the yab one Yoruba man jokingly. I don't say that man why they yab, now I'm the king of Agbero for that area. And the yab the man, people they laugh. The man they laugh, they give me hand. Continue. They try. I don't say how they dig my grave. When I graduate finish, they go outside when I enter my car because I get one smoker while they manage Pidgeot. When I enter my car, I can hear a voice from back. Mama, when I look back, now the Yoruba man why they yap for the show. You know, say something about comedians, we dey humble because we don't know go help you. I can't go meet the man. I say, good evening, sir. Now the man reply me. Evening. Are you the comedian inside? I say, yes, sir. He say, wow, I'm the comedian outside. It is shocked me. I said, sorry, sir, do you want to crack joke for me? He say, yes, pull your shirt and lie down. For where I did they do grad, I say, yo, man, do you know me? For where I did they shot, I just slap on nowhere. Go! They say, make you lie down. I push it and lie down. You know, say, if 10 Yoruba boys, they one must do it, they useless. Why Yoruba boy, when no day, when I dey yap the man, I come go outside, go find Coke bottle. Come break, pa! Come back for her like that. I no push it. If I crack this to finish, he go help me pull my shirt. I go show now wetin they do for my back. So, no, I don't go understand. I mean, I'm feeling pains. And I joke and I joke before, but the man don't say na joke. So when I go like that, the Yoruba boy can't go find Coke, but I know say Coke bottle is strong. But when like that, now the boy can't ask me, Kilo correct. It means what to be your name. I reply am AP Jokes. Sir, AP Jokes. I will spell your name for your back. So when the Yoruba guy can't spell my name, AP Jokes. A for your mind, the funny Abi. B, neither right A. B. Remain jokes. I don't know, say. I don't know, say the idiots no go school. No, people may go school, they live on. Jokes may be Jokes. Because I beg me Yankee. Jokes may be Yes. The guy can't spell jokes. J. Guy, the way they do this joke, he go long go. But go manage this place. W. Shifts a yash. Ish. For like 2 hours, the guy they spell jokes. When the second look where to the idiot don't spell for my back. The idiot don't spell Choma Jesus. Now the guy go to tell her, come on, what's it by mistake? He jokes now Jokes because Emma worry make a dance one. I will see you next year. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for AB Jokes.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. How are you today?
I'm good.
You look good.
It's good.
Wow. Okay, so how do you see today's show? How was the show for you?
The show is the best in satellites. We all know that. It's been a while I've been attending a comedy show, and this is the first comedy show I'm attending this year. So it's the best for me.
Wow, wow, wow. That's the best for him. Okay, what can you really say? What can you really say about what's going on now? And I just also want to ask, have you attended any of this edition before?
Vision, yeah, I do attend comedy shows like AY Live, Shakara, but Saboki is still a upcoming comedian doing great and even doing better than the one up there.
Wow, that's another thumbs up. Thank you very much. It's so good to have you here.
Thanks.